Let's have fun skating today at this less crowded rink, Monko. The other rink seemed much more crowded. This ice rink has a regular geometrical shape. Let us calculate the inner and outer perimeter of this skating rink. The rink is made of a rectangle and two semicircles. Let's assume the length of the inner rectangle to be 60 meters and the breadth to be 35 meters. See dimensions 60 meters for length and 35 meters for breadth marked on the rink. The circular parts are two semicircles, and the arc length is calculated by 2 times half pi times d. Two semicircles combined form one full circle, so the formula simplifies to pi times d. What value do we substitute for d, the diameter? The breadth of the rectangle is the same as the diameter of the semicircle. Oh yes, pi times 35 gives us the circular length. Since 35 is a multiple of 7, let's use 22/7 for pi to simplify the calculation. You are right. C equals 22/7 times 35. 35 divided by 7 equals 5, so C equals 22 times 5. So the inner circular length, or the circumference, is 110 meters. The perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times 60 plus 35 meters. Add the circular length of 110 meters to find the total inner perimeter. No, you are wrong. Why? Do you know why? Let us pause and think. Haha, I know. The breadth of the rectangle is not the outline of the inner rink. You only need the outline for finding the perimeter. Yes, for any shape you only need the measurement of the edge for finding the perimeter. Yes. So it is 60 plus 110 equals 230 meters. Now, if the width of the outer rink is 21 meters, what is the circumference of the outer rink? Let us draw a sketch. The outer diameter is 35 plus 21 equals 77 meters. Now, the outer circular length is 22/7 times 77, which is 242 meters. Rectangular length is 60 plus 21. Do you think it is right? Let us pause and think. The rectangle is the same. The length does not change. The rectangular straight length is 60 meters on both sides, making 120 meters. Exactly. Yes, right. The circumference is 242 meters plus 120 meters, totaling 362 meters. Understanding the concept is very important to solve any critical problem. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned how to calculate the perimeter of this complex figure.